In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to start an online shopping store using the ICDSoft hosting service and just free tools. All you need is a hosting account with a domain, so we start at the ICDSoft control panel. You can see that we have the business plan and our domain is ICDSoftStoreDemo.com. Since we'll be setting up an online store, we need an SSL certificate for our website so that visitors can connect over an encrypted connection and see the reassuring padlock in the address bar of their browser. We'll start with that because this will allow us to directly install WordPress using the SSL certificate, so we won't have to make any additional adjustments later on. With the ICDSoft hosting service, you get free SSL certificates for all of your domain names, so let's go ahead and install one. Go to the SSL/HTTPS section, Let's Encrypt Certificates, and enable a Let's Encrypt certificate for your domain. So now that we have an SSL certificate installed on the server for our domain, the next thing we need to do is install WordPress, and we will use the automatic installer available in the WordPress section in the control panel. There it is. Install WordPress using our easy automatic installer. Click Continue. For the site title, our fictional store would be about organic health products like foods and juices and stuff like that. So let's enter organic foods and products. Domain. Click on the drop down and check the options. We have our domain and also the server-based address of your hosting account. You can use the server-based address if you don't have a domain or if it's not pointed to the server yet. So we'll select our actual domain. In our case, that will be ICDSoftStoreDemo.com. The path, let's leave this empty, so WordPress would be installed in the root directory of the subdomain. Let's skip this part. Use HTTPS. Yes, since we already installed an SSL certificate, we can activate that option. The username could be organic. Let's generate a strong password using the generator here. I'll copy it to my clipboard so I can use it to log into the WordPress dashboard later on. For the email, you should enter your actual email address. Accept the license agreement and click Install. The installer is warning us that any existing content in the installation directory would be overwritten if you proceed, and we're okay with that since we've started with an empty account, so let's continue. And WordPress has been installed successfully. There it is. That's the actual URL where we can see our website. Let's check it out. You can see that this is just the default WordPress installation. So let's go back and check our dashboard URL. There it is. Now let's log in. Enter the username and password you set during the installation. In our case, the username is organic and the password which I will just paste from the clipboard. And there's the default WordPress dashboard. First thing we want to do is install a new theme because we don't want the standard WordPress look. So go to the Appearance menu, Themes, select Add New, and enter Astra. The great thing about this Astra theme is that it comes with a lot of different templates for just about any type of e-commerce website you can think of. And every template comes with pre-entered products, and you can just edit and modify them to your needs. And of course, you can also add an unlimited number of new products. So let's install Astra. Now let's activate it. The next step is to import one of these different Astra templates, and you can do that by installing a plugin called Starter Templates. Go to the Plugins menu, Add New, and type in Starter Templates. There it is. Starter templates for Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and Breezy. The growing library of 300 plus ready-to-use templates that work with all WordPress themes. Install now. Let's activate it. Now we'll go through a quick getting started wizard. First we need to select the page builder we'll use. We like Elementor, so let's select it. Let's filter these templates. Let's check out only the free ones. Look at this huge list of free templates for practically every possible e-commerce website you can think of. You can sell shoes, t-shirts. You can even sell services like DJ bookings or downloadable training programs. We'll use this organic store template because it's a more traditional type of store with physical products, so it's more suitable for our example here. You could be making bracelets at home or masks or something else, and you can just follow these steps and replace the images in the actual products with yours, and you will have a fully working online store in just a few minutes. So let's install this organic store template. Use the import complete site option, and you'd be given the option to select what you would like to import. We use all these options: import customizer settings, import widgets. You can see that the install required plugins options has been pre-selected for us. This will install all the required plugins that are needed for our online store. So it will directly install WooCommerce and Elementor that we'll later use to edit our web pages. So this saves us some time and a few extra steps. Let's import it. The import process can take anywhere between 2 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the site and the speed of the connection. Normally it completes in under a minute. So let's just fast forward a bit here. And hooray, the website imported successfully. Let's view the actual website and see what we got. Oh, it's the same default website. You just need to make sure to clear the cache of your web browser. To do that, press Command plus R on a Mac or Control plus F5 on a PC. And there it is, that's our actual website. You can see that it looks really nice. We got featured products, we got product category images, customer reviews, footer section with social media links. So now we just need to customize it to our specific needs. So our next step is to configure WooCommerce. So go to the WooCommerce settings menu and we start at the General tab. There you should enter your store address. So let's fill in the details here. Selling locations, set it to ship to all countries. Shipping locations, ship to all countries you sell, that's okay. Default customer location, no location by default. Now under the currency options, set the currency to United States dollar. Save these changes. Let's go to the next tab, products. The important thing to note here is the actual shop page. This is the WordPress page that will serve as our actual storefront. In this case, we have this page called shop, and it was created as part of the content import that came with the organic theme, so that's okay. But this is where you can change it. The next step is to configure our shipping. A shipping zone is a geographic region where a certain set of shipping methods and rates apply. Let's add a shipping zone. The name of the zone would be United States. So let's set the zone regions to United States, US. Let's add a shipping method, flat rate, add shipping method. Now, strangely, we need to click on the edit link under it in order to enter the actual cost. Let's say $10. Non-taxable, save changes. Let's proceed to the payments tab and set up a payment method for our store. The easiest one to set up is PayPal. Set up. All we need to do here is enter your PayPal email. In our case, we'll use sales@ICDSoftStoreDemo.com. Enter it for the PayPal email and the receiver email. Let's save these changes. And the last important bit here is to configure the notification emails. So go to the emails tab, enter your email as a recipient for new order, canceled order, and failed order notifications. Click manage. In our case, we'll have sales@ICDSoftStoreDemo.com. Now we'll configure our email sender options. Don't forget to set the from email address. And at the end, hit save changes. Now let's actually go ahead and create that mailbox under our domain. And for this purpose, we'll go to the hosting account control panel, Mail Manager. There we'll create the sales account. With our email service, you can have an unlimited number of mailboxes under your domain. So go to Create Account tab, enter sales, generate a strong password for it, and press Add. And you can see the notification, Mailbox Sales was created successfully. Another important thing as far as the email notifications are concerned is to set up an SPF record for our domain, which designates the permitted senders. And we want to make sure that our email server is listed there, so that the messages sent from your store don't get flagged as spam. This is done at the DNS manager, where you should enable the SPF protection. There it is. And now we are ready to proceed with the next step, which is configuring our products and categories. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. With the Astra Starter Templates plugin, we installed WooCommerce and imported the demo content, including a number of products. You can manage them from the newly created products menu under your WordPress dashboard. And you can see they are grouped in these different categories: groceries, juice. Let's create a new category called Superfoods. Go to the categories, add new menu, Superfoods. Press the Add New Category button, and we'll also create another category called Coffee and one called Fruits. Now let's add a new product to our newly created category. Under the Products menu, select Add New. Enter, let's say, raw goji berries, 1 pack. And add it to the Superfoods category. Let's also make it a featured product, so click on the Edit link under Catalog Visibility and place a check on This is a featured product. Set a product image. Set its price to, let's say, a $10 regular price and a $5 discounted price. We'll also add another product to our Superfoods category. Let's say tomatoes, $5 regular price. The Superfoods category. Set the product image. Publish. Let's check out all of our products. Go to Products, All Products. Let's move these coffee products to the newly created category, Coffee. And you can do that by quick edit. Deselect the groceries category and select Coffee. Update. We'll also add the assorted dry fruits to our fruits category. Now let's take a look at our website. You can see that this All Products menu takes us to our shop page. So we want to rename it to Shop and place the different categories as its submenus. To do that, we'll go to the WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Menus. Click on the All Products item and change its label to Shop. Now let's create the submenus. They'll actually be custom links, so set the link text to Superfoods. And to get the actual URL, you should open your categories and click View next to a given category to see it in your browser and just copy its address. Now let's paste it as the URL for our custom link. Press Add Menu. And you can see that the menu item will appear at the bottom of the menu list. So to make it a submenu of our shop, we just need to drag it and drop it under it. We'll create another submenu item for the coffee category in the exact same way. Once you're fully ready, make sure to press the Save Menu button. And now let's check out our website and see the updated menu. You can see that the All Products label has been changed to Shop, and the Shop menu now has two items, superfoods and coffee. If you check out the superfoods category, you should see the goji berries and the tomatoes we added there. And if you look at the coffee category, again, you should be able to see the two types of coffee that we sell. Now, if you look at our index page, all these Shop Now buttons are not actually working, so let's fix that. They should take us to our store. Click on the Edit with Elementor button on top. Click on the Shop Now button and you can set the link value to /shop, as that's the URL of our shop page. And we'll do the same thing here. And you can see these three sections here. They can actually serve as links to our different categories. For example, farm fresh fruits, we can link it to our fruits category. So let's set the link to product category /fruits. The third item here could be called superfoods, and we'll link it to the superfoods category. To change the label, just click here and update the text. The link should be set to product category /superfoods. Don't forget to click update at the end. Now let's check out our changes, and these Shop Now buttons should be working. Yes, you can see that it's taking us to our shop page. Let's go back and test the category buttons we just set up. Let's set up a coupon for first-time shoppers. To do that, go to the WooCommerce menu, Coupons. Create your first coupon, enter first time for the coupon code. Change the discount type to percentage discount. And set the coupon amount to 25%. Now go to the usage limits menu, and for the usage limit per user, set it to 1. And you can see that it uses the billing email for guests and the user ID for registered users. Press publish at the end. And let's add this coupon information to our homepage. So go to the Pages, All Pages menu, and press the Edit with Elementor link for the homepage. You need to change the text to get 25% off on your first purchase. Use promo code first time. So let's go ahead and test our online store. Well, let's add this product to our cart. Let's view the cart. We can apply our coupon first time. You can see we got a 25% discount. Let's go to checkout, where we just need to enter our details, and proceed to PayPal, where we can complete the payment. Obviously, we didn't complete our payment, but this order should now be available under WooCommerce. So let's take a look. Go to the orders menu, and that's where you would be able to see all the orders from your store. You can see that this one is pending payment. And that's it. Your online store is fully ready, and if you need help with setting it up, you can contact our support team at any time.